Welcome back to SSA Spotlight, where we highlight the financial news for the month. Firstly, we turn our spotlight to the global market. Chancellor Rachel Reeves has pledged that the UK government will do all it can to protect the economy from the fallout of the escalating conflict between Iran and Israel. Oil prices spiked sharply on Friday following Israel's attacks and Iran's retaliation, raising concerns about inflation as fuel costs climb. Although household energy bills react more slowly to wholesale prices, the UK's energy price cap is still expected to fall in July. Continued conflict, particularly any disruption to shipping through the Strait of Hormuz, could drive oil and gas prices higher. However, analysts say the market faces less pressure than during previous crises. In a shift over the weekend, oil prices fell to a two-week low after Israel accepted a US brokered ceasefire proposal from President Donald Trump. At an economic summit in China, global business leaders expressed concern over the conflict's broader impact, which has temporarily overtaken trade and inflation as top risks. Meanwhile, Trump has signed an executive order lowering tariffs on some British goods entering the US, a first step in a broader trade agreement. Most UK exports, however, remain subject to 10% blanket tariff. Now we turn our spotlight to financial advice. New research from Unbiased highlights that women are more likely than men to seek financial advice independently. 74% do so solely for themselves, compared to 65% of men. Women are also more likely to seek advice during key life stages such as divorce, widowhood, or receiving inheritance, with women projected to own 60% of UK wealth by the end of 2025. Karen Barrett, CEO of Unbiased, says this moment presents a huge opportunity. She is calling on the advice industry to evolve and better reflect women's growing financial influence and needs. Next, we look at the UK mortgage market. Data collected by 27 Tech, a sourcing system provider, suggests borrowers are banking on future rate cuts following the Bank of England's recent reduction to 4.25%. There were more than 25,000 live mortgage products on the platform last month, and a sharp increase in searches related to first-time buyers. Alone saw over 400,000 mortgage searches, the second highest weekly volume in the past year. Finally, we shine our spotlight on protection. Payment Shield has enhanced its mortgage protection offer, reintroducing unemployment cover alongside accident and sickness protection. Policies have been moved to AmTrust Specialty Limited, with Eurus Group now managing claims. The updated product covers mortgage payments and premiums for up to 24 months if the policyholder is unable to work due to illness, injury, redundancy, or caring responsibilities. Clients can also increase their monthly benefit by up to 1/3, capped at £3,000 or 75% of gross monthly income. Payment Shield's director, Louise Pengeli, says the changes aim to meet growing consumer concerns and give advisors more flexible solutions at a time when uncertainty remains high. That's all for this week. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love, and we'll see you in next month's instalment.